how to change the download location of any file in Microsoft Teams. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can change the download location of any file from your Teams account. So we are talking about the default file path. So basically whenever you download any file, it will automatically appear in that particular path which you will set in this step. So in order to set this up, simply click onto these three dots present at the top right corner just beside your profile picture. Once you click here, you will see this settings option. Click onto settings, and within the settings, you can also come to this particular page by just pressing the control and the comma button. Now, once you have reached this page, you can see different sub items listed here, and from here, you can simply choose this option, that is files and links. Once you click here, you have this downloads option. Under this download section, you can see that this is my current download directory. If you want to change it, simply click onto this change button, and then from here you can simply choose or select that particular folder under which you want the new downloads to be present. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.